Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite easy anti-cheat not installed. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, double click on the easy anti-cheat. Right click on the EasyAntiCheat underscore EOS underscore setup and select show more options and select send to and select desktop create shortcut, and now you just need to close stuff here. Right click on the EasyAntiCheat shortcut and select properties. In target, at the end of this target you just need to type space and type REPAIR small letter repair. After that select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to double click on this easy and cheat shortcut, select yes. Now you can launch the Fortnite without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.